going up to the height of 346 meters high, 1,136 feet. We're going to the third floor of the building. Once you get up to the third level, you can access glass floor by taking the stairs down one floor. Remain on glass floor level for your exit all the way back down to ground level. Please enjoy the view as we go up here on the north side of the CN Tower, looking at the downtown hub of the city of Toronto. Enjoy. If you look at your feet, you'll see two glass panels. If you're standing on them, start praying. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
How many trips up and down you make in a renovation?
Too many.
Too many.
Any questions? Alright then, as they say, forever hold your peace. Amen. Yes.
Alright, we're there.
Right, we're here.
My ears just. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I know I get real sensitive. My ears popped again.
Man, that was quick. Glass floor. What? To the glass floor.
The restaurant.
Oh, that's the restaurant. Okay. Wrong way.
Go down.
We gotta go down. Go down.
We'll go down first. That's the 360 restaurant. Very pretty. Yeah, we can get off here, guys.
The CN Tower. Glass floor and elevators down. We don't want to go down just yet, so.
Let's go ahead, boss.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we're gonna go outside first. Oh,
Let's go see Baseball Stadium.